Kia ora whānau, it's Hux, back with another review. Today we have Te Piringa 2025. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I know nothing about this kapaka rōpū, by the way, so this is first for me. Glow sticks going. I don't like it. Sorry, let's pause it there. I don't like it. Only reason why I'm saying that, I don't like the whispering thing. Only some of them are committing. If yous were all committing to it, it would be all good. But it looks like some people are committing to it and then some are like, man, this is dumb. Here we go. I like this. Nice. I can't wait to hear their singing now. Their singing is mean. We need to run that one back. Hold on, look, the Tane who did the last part. Ready? This one. Oh my god. That gave me chills. That was me. There it is again. Wow, he's a mean singer, eh? Ooh, look at that bro go. He's got pipes, gee. Oosh. He's a mean pipe piper. Nice. That was me. We're just gonna skip this, bro. Sorry about it. If you've never seen this channel before, this is a tradition we do, and we skip every kaikorero. I like this. Mean. I like the sound. I like the more tea. It's just getting a little bit like, oh, just completely. I'm just being completely honest. Okay, you just wanted honesty. I'm giving you honesty. It's too spread out for me. I don't like looking around like, who am I looking at? I'd rather just look at one spot and then look around that one spot. But that's just me. Sorry guys, that's like nitpicky, but here we go. This one's for you ladies. Okay. Ooh. Bring it back. There we go. This is a good point. This is my favorite point so far. Hey. Nice. What's it on the floor? Come from a boy or something. Nice. Well executed that one. Well executed. That one. See, what is that on the ground now? That's got my full attention. So this waita aringa better captivate me. Oh, come on, I want to hear solo, I want to hear solo. Ah, this is a beautiful waita. Solo would make it even more beautiful. I'm surprised no one's crying here. I'd be crying if I was singing this song. I like that. The slow and then back. Yeah. Man, these fellas are mean at singing. think singing is their thingy. Nice. I like this. Hey. Oh, I like this, dude. Hold on. Run it back. Look at him. Yeah. He's got a bit of steez, a bit of style. Look at him. He's going hard. He should be in the front, though. Take him in the front. Oh no, it's the Tani. I seen you in the poi. The Tani. There we go. Yeah. Tamake. Nice. Look at Big Boy out. He's going hard too. Not bad. Not bad.
Guru
I have mixed feelings about this. So far, I have mixed feelings about this. What do I think about the Ropu? I think the Ropu was beautiful. I don't know. I think he's executed everything really well. I started getting a little bit, I'll be honest, I was getting a little bit bored. That's just my opinion there. I like that haka, especially the way it started. I was not expecting it. I've never seen this. When I seen this, I've never seen this before, but it made me feel like someone was dying. It made me envision the Māori battalion, but that's what this was. I don't really like the whispery stuff. Overall, though, execution-wise, I'd say you did pretty mean. You did pretty mean. Out of 10, I'm probably gonna give it an 8. That's just my review. That's just my honest review. That's just not for me. Do you understand? It's just not for me, cuss. If you want to see another Kapahaka Ropu, drop a comment and like and subscribe. Have a good day.